Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on OnePlus Nord 5. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and then click install. Then click open and click continue, and here you can choose your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now, and you can turn notifications on this browser, or you can click the now again. Now you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue, and you can pick your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.